Hello everybody and welcome back. This is going to be part 3 of how to do my quiz game in Python. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. If you do need this code, like I say in every video, it will be in the comments, just so you don't have to do it. But I do kind of recommend to go along with me, but you don't have to. But let's start. So we're going to set the score to start at 0. So obviously you don't want the score to start at like 10 or anything, but you can do that if you want, but I'm just going to do this for now. Then we're going to say score plus ask question. So in here we're going to basically just have a question. So we're going to go for what's the capital of England. You can put any question in here. And then we can put a question mark. You don't have to do this, but so basically what you're going to want to do in these question boxes are, so you're going to finish the quotation marks off, and then you're going to put a space, a comma, and then you're basically going to put in quotation marks what the answer is. So obviously the capital of England is London, but say if this is like France, it'd be Paris, or whatever the answer to your question is, you want to put it in these quotation marks here. So basically it knows what the answer is, and then if this is right, then it will give you a correct point, basically. So we're going to do this 3 more times as we're asking 3 questions. So for the next question, we can have a maths one. So we can have what's 50 plus. We're just going to go simple, but you can go more in depth if you want to. And then we're going to change the answer to whatever answer is, so it's 70. And then for the last question, we can have a hard one. We can say what object is on the Lebanon. I'm not sure how you spell that. I think it's Lebanon. Could be like that. If you guys didn't know, it's a tree. Some geography for you there. So after we've done all this, we're going to have a print statement. There is going to be one more part to this as well, guys, so this won't be fully finished, but the next part I will finish it all off. So we're going to do speech marks. Your final score is, then we're going to have 2 dots, and we're going to then do squiggly brackets, or space, then squiggly brackets. Trying to find them. There they are. Then in these squiggly brackets we're going to have score. Then we can close these off. And then outside of these squiggly brackets, don't need a space, just put backspace 3. Then after this, one of these /, and then n, and then close off that. And that is the instructions for the quiz. So this is basically just going to ask a question. So it's going to say the score is 0. What's the capital of England? You say London. 50 plus 20, you say 70. And then Lebanon flag, you say tree. And if you get all the answers right, it'll put your final score is score, and then basically the questions that you got correct out of 3. So this would be 1 out of 3 if you got 1 right, 2 out of 3, or 3 out of 3, or 0 out of 3. But I am going to finish this off in the next part, guys, so make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow. But if this was helpful in any way, make sure to like, comment and share, and thanks for watching. See you later.